Following content not suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
We're doing Never Have I Ever, and I'm here with a couple characters today, and we're also here with a new animatronic, it seems like. We are here with somebody... Who are you?
My name's Bumble, dude. I'm gonna get hot. I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm not paid enough right now.
So it looks like we have Bumble here, and we also have Jingle, and... Oh, hi, Claudia. And yes, we finally have Jingle fixed, so yeah.
Is the key guy okay over there?
Text, because I fixed myself.
Yeah, anyway. Bumble, are you good?
Yeah, dude, I'm just seeing rainbows.
Does he have to be in the pizzeria, or could he just stay outside?
No, we're doing Never Have I Ever. We are doing Never Have I Ever. Everybody get on your platforms. At least in front of him.
Have we ever considered that maybe Bumble is high right now?
It's fine. Bumble's high off his own beeswax. Don't worry about it.
Those are plastic candles.
What's up, dude? They're plastic candles, dude.
Anyway, Bumble, you start on Bumble. You don't start on your platform. You start here, on the roof.
Right.
Anyway, we all ready? Let's go ahead and have Jingle go first and go down the row.
Don't mind this stuff. I just gotta get away from the edge of the roof, guys. Except for Bumble. I think Bumble can fly.
Oh, and he can.
How does I am trying to fly?
Wings, dude.
You got me, dude.
He's like 200.
Alright, let's go.
How heavy is he?
He's 165 pounds according to the shipping manifest.
Anyway, Jingle, go ahead and go first.
Never have I ever accidentally set the pizzeria on fire.
Which one?
I feel like you've set your own on fire, Cloudy.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
That's multiple times.
I was just trying to make food.
Alright.
Cloudy, you're next.
Fuck. I'm bad at this. Why?
If it's something that you've done, then you jump up. But if you haven't done it and somebody has said it, then you stay. It's pretty easy. No double negatives. The double negatives are very confusing.
Double negative? What's called as a double negative?
It's where, don't worry about it. It's a complicated rule to explain. Just go.
Okay. Never have I ever tried to escape the pizzeria.
I like how all of us jumped on that one.
Even Bumble.
Lavender, it's your turn.
Okay, right, yeah, my turn. This one's gonna be a touchy one, but I'm gonna hate it. Never have I ever witnessed a murder.
Does that mean if I stayed, does that mean I've seen one, or I haven't seen one?
If you have not seen one, then you stay. But if you have seen one, then you go. Okay. Oh, we've all witnessed one. Of course you have, Cloudy.
Don't say.
Your turn, Bumble.
Never have I ever killed another animatronic.
No, it's Bumble's turn, Jingle. Jingle, it's Bumble's turn.
Well, I guess I can still...
I'm sorry somebody doesn't charge me because I don't have a charger.
You have a charger in your room. What are you talking about?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Anyway, go, Bumble. Go, Bumble.
Alright, go ahead, Bumble. Sorry.
Never allergic to things.
What?
I don't know how this works, dudes.
Never have I ever what?
Been allergic to things, my dudes. Do you know how this works, my dudes?
You're fine. Go ahead, go, Jingle.
Never have I ever driven a truck to pick stuff up.
What?
I did.
You realize I've had to drive that truck to pick up the food for the pizzeria before, right?
Makes sense. Go ahead, Cloudy.
Also why I'm the smartest one out of all of you.
That's a lie.
That's kind of a lie there, dude.
Cloudy, you deactivate yourself on a regular basis, and then when you wake up, you don't remember doing so.
Yeah, the way I turn myself off. Anyways.
You don't charge.
Yes, I do.
Not all the time.
I have found you passed out in the hallway 13 times this month.
Shut up. Go, Cloudy.
Never have I witnessed. Oh, wait, fuck. Never have I ever witnessed an Antron being dismantled.
That one's a touchy one. Do we want to talk about that one?
No.
I've literally witnessed Jingle being dismantled.
A fly. I did.
Yeah. I'd prefer if you not bring that up.
Sorry. Anyway. Oh, it's my turn. Lovely. Cool. Never have I ever... Never have I ever had a crush on another animatronic. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
What do you want to talk about, my dear?
Okay.
I don't want to talk about it. Just go, Bumble.
I think I know.
Shut up, Cloudy! Go, Bumble.
What's your turn?
Never I ever had multiple limbs.
He just fell. Okay. Multiple limbs. I mean...
That probably means, like, replaced or, accidentally made with more limbs or something.
Like I them some kids. I had to get them removed.
Yeah. Go, Jingle. Wait, on, Jingle. Jingle, is your voice... Oh, okay.
Just thinking. Never have I ever been abandoned in one
I don't know how that I did.
It's a very touchy subject. Don't... Yeah. Anyway. Go, Cloudy.
Never have I ever tried to make food even though we're animatronics.
Wax count.
I don't...
I mean, people do eat beeswax.
Yeah, that is true. So, yeah, I guess. Careful.
I love being able to pull myself up now.
Wait, is it my turn again?
Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever been possessed. We're gonna go first, see if somebody can get second.
That's fantastic, my dear.
He's possessed by the beeswax or something.
It don't work. It's where you get. It's where it's not exactly you, but it's somebody else who takes over. Pretty much. But go ahead, Bumble. Your turn.
Never have I ever hit something in the walls.
God dang it.
Never knowledge really in action.
My voice can hear my dance.
I guess I mean, since Jingle's already finished. Go ahead and go, Jingle. I'll let you, we'll go around still.
Never have I ever had a crush on an animatronic that's here.
That's very specific. Oh,
I can't do this. I can't jump.
make sure wings work.
Oh, I forgot I had wings.
Sometimes
It's
they do.
the
They're
same
just
things.
hidden.
It's
Alright, unfortunately.
Is that all the time that we have for this? We only have time for one round? Or do we want to go for another round? Another round? Okay.
Let's go in reverse order.
Okay. Bumble, you start first.
Better.
Bumble, come down here.
I have a better idea. All of us are possessed, right?
I mean,
This man's. You're having the time of your life over there, aren't you, Bumble?
yes, my did.
I mean, you know, we're all possessed by something that's more.
I'm well aware of who I'm possessed by. And I think Cloudy knows who he's possessed by as well.
I mean, we all now have illusion discs, finally. I was upgraded when I was over.
I don't think most people here want to see him again. You know, at least my soul.
That's true.
Like, I don't really.
Yeah, I don't think we would want Rose to come up here and see him after everything.
Yeah.
You realize Rose is out of town, that's why she's not here, right?
I mean, she could come back at any time. You realize this?
I do, but she is still asleep.
How do we get down? Let's-
I mean, do we want to go for another round?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bumble, you go first.
Did this man carry a whole barrel up here?
We did.
I mean, I carry this with me everywhere I go, but that's yes.
Anyway, Bumble, go.
I
Never.
can carry it into. I can
Hey,
carry it
hey,
into.
hey. Go, Bumble.
Never. It's
What? Yep.
never ever seen a man get ripped apart, my dudes.
I've never actually seen a man get ripped apart.
Well, I mean, not exactly a man. They can be like a person. I feel like you have.
Well, I mean, I ripped someone apart, but I don't remember it.
What kind of would that count?
My memory's have been reset a few times, so I'm just gonna say it does count.
Your voice box is a bit glitchy, by the way, Bubble. Anyway, my turn.
Especially for somebody with a dual molded voice box.
Never have I ever liked shiny things. I guess we all like shiny things. Neat, cool. Anyway, go, Cloudy.
Never have I ever dismantled a animatronic.
That is a touchy one, Cloudy.
Wait a minute.
You
Lavender?
don't want to talk about it.
I want to know where you're.
I'd rid of the one with a spam.
Go, Jingle.
Never have I ever had. How do I do this? Never have I ever had the urge to run up and hug and kiss someone. Oh man, I'm sorry, Bumblebee. Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry.
I think he's a bit high.
Oh God, Bumble.
I think I can solve that.
You can see his eyes, so like blood red. I don't think he's
Uh-oh.
right now.
Oh no! Bumble, put it away. Bumble, put it away. Put it away.
Bumble, these are confetti. Bumble, these are confetti.
Oh God. Anyway, go, Cloudy.
I thought he goes.
Oh wait, no. It is Bumble. I'm sorry. My brain and my circuits are lit.
I mean, y'all was more out of order than my mental stability.
What the fuck? Oh, hi, Jangle.
This is what I sound like when my voice box is fixed. You know this, right, y'all?
No,
I forget you're a thing in Jingle. I'm sorry.
That's fair. I don't recognize you.
That's Bumble.
Bumble back.
Yeah.
I don't remember you, my dude.
Jangle, this is Cloudy. Jangle, this is Cloudy from Cloudy's Entertainment. The location with the missing people. Yeah, that.
It shut down recently. That's why I'm here.
If I remember correctly, you're Cloudy.
Yes, that's what I just said.
Alright, let's get
Anyway,
back to it.
go, Bumble.
Never take over while I'm doing something. I will rip from the line circuits right over my head.
Bumble, go.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Do I have to think?
Have I ever been asexual, my dudes?
He got us with that one.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, we can all go down the line before we go before I go next. I mean, we can all go down the line and say what we are. So with Bumble, I'm guessing you are asexual, so, considering what you said. Me, I'm pan. I'm pansexual. What about you, Cloudy?
Bye.
Cloudy. Okay.
Bye.
What about you, Jingle?
Well, seeing as there's two of us, I'm actually gay and, I am... Well, that's...
Ah, makes sense. Do we want to... You know what? I'm not going to say who I have a crush on. Never mind.
I already know who it is, and so does Jingle. It's kind of obvious.
Shut up!
Yeah. Everyone knows.
Literally.
Probably. besides
Especially because your fan art drawings that we found last week.
Shut
We
up!
had to clean those off. What? No.
I kind of tell because of that one made it kind of bit obvious, my dudette.
What?
Oh, shit. I'm so sorry. Did I actually... Nice to see you, son of a gun.
Oh my god!
I said dudette.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh my god! We're going out of character for a minute, you guys. I'm sorry. Oh. That was funny. I'm sorry. Misty, you and Gabe or something else, guys. Oh, okay.
Gabe together in the same room is a straight just your ass off.
Yeah.
Gabe a good joke.
Oh no.
You know what? After this round, if we want to, we can go for one more round with out of character.
Yes,
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway,
What if we just use our normal skin?
we can use our normal skins, but I would have to pause the video in order for us to change our skins. Anyway, back into our character. Yee.
What do you mean, my dude? What do you mean, my dude? It's leap, dude.
Whose turn is it again?
I think it's mine.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm getting that action.
Never have I ever kissed an animatronic while they were charging.
I'm interested now, Cloudy.
Ah!
Was it
What?
smart?
I did it.
God, no.
I kind of help.
I'd rather be dismantled than kiss him.
That's
Yeah.
fair.
Oh, your pride.
Oh, boy.
Let's go.
Go, Cloudy.
I'm trying not to do touching on.
You're fine if it's touchy. It's fine.
Never
Thanks.
have a... Shut the fuck up. Don't pull out, though. Anyways. Never have I ever... I hate this. Never have I ever tried to dismantle Amtrak while they're powered off. Or do we touch you?
Yeah. It's fine.
Yeah, I've actually never tried that.
And all. It's an easy way to try to, you know.
Did she? Why are you avoiding my eyes? Lavender?
Don't want to talk about it. Just go, Jingle.
Your voice box is pretty.
Never have I ever ordered parts for another animatronic.
Touchy, my dude.
How's that touchy?
I mean, it just kind of depends on who the animatronic is, to be honest.
Yeah, it makes sense. So I took off the southern accent. I did not like that.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, yeah.
It got annoying fast for me, so.
Go, Bumble.
Never ever had a witness two homosexuals not admit to love to each other.
I've witnessed something like that. I've witnessed something like that. Oh,
Witness, my dude. Get back.
Louder. I'm bleeding scared.
Alright.
you guys don't know a lot of things about me that you're finding out. That's what this game is about.
We also, I mean, it's pretty obvious that
Go, Jingle.
it's Mark's turn. Is it not? Not Mark.
No, because
Sorry.
Bumble just went. It's your turn, Jingle.
After your turn, my dude.
No, I thought after.
You're nurse.
Oh, wait, is it mine? Oh, I'm dumb.
We're going.
I'm dumb. I'm stupid. I'm just trying to avoid my turn because I'm dumb. Anyway.
My big dumb level.
Ah!
I just don't know. I'm gonna jump off that way.
Never have I ever wanted to call my crush a cute nickname.
Deeper.
Okay, Claudia, go.
Where are all my memories mixed up?
Go, Claudia.
Where are my memories supposed to
Has I ever been put in storage?
be? I was never put in storage. I was left on my stage.
No, makes sense.
Bumble, would you stop it? Go, Jingle.
Never have I ever asked my crush out.
What's up, man?
Alright.
Oh boy.
Bumble's turn.
Bumble, go.
Never have ever been attracted to someone.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Never have I ever been attracted to someone, my dude.
Oh, my turn.
If I said don't.
Never have I ever wanted to let my crush win.
See what's going on. I understand. Okay.
Get a room, my dudettes.
Okay. Next round, we're gonna do. Okay, we can drop voices now. Hi, we're gonna do out of character.
I was literally using my
Try
normal
to.
voice.
We can
Out of character. Never have I ever.
What we drop?
Oh God. Anyway.
Boys, tilt the towers.
Wow.
Alright, regular skins now, motherfuckers.
All right, guys. We're gonna change our skins real quick, and we will be right back.
There we go. We have now changed into our out of character skins that we're gonna be using. I would usually use my HD one. I was gonna do my HD one, but Misty wanted us to do our time and effort ones, and this is the one that Misty put her most time and effort into. And that skin over there is the one that Misty put their time and effort into. I'm guessing, well, but this is the one you put your time and effort into.
Yeah.
Gabe, is that the one you put your time and effort into?
I had to figure out the colors.
It's not evil bull.
Oh my God. Okay.
It begins.
Okay. We're gonna do out of character. We didn't want to change our stuff because this was a biatch, so we decided to keep it.
Oh, well, it really wasn't.
Shut up.
Easily.
Anyway, we're gonna do out of character just so you guys find out a little bit more about us. So we're gonna go ahead and have Misty go first.
Never have I ever. Oh shit! How do I word this?
Word.
Words are hard.
Never have I ever had a very, very inappropriate thought about my partner.
What?
A very inappropriate fault by your partner.
I even got a partner. What the hell?
You're just bullying Gabe. You're bullying him.
Go ahead and go a little bit.
Never have I ever actually done something in a Discord server that they didn't mean to do. Meaning like in the voice chat or message. I don't know.
Is doing a really bad thing in a server count?
Yeah.
Yes.
But then it estimated to a giant amount.
Yes.
Yes.
You're destroying the server accounts, Gabe.
Do we want to talk about each one? Do we want to talk about each of those things that we did?
We don't talk about
No, we don't.
Wait, no.
No. Okay.
We don't talk about it. It's like Bruno. We don't talk about it.
We don't talk about it.
Okay.
Oh no, no.
Oh, is it my turn? Oh fuck! Is it my turn?
Yes.
Wait, no. It's a little bit. Wait. No, a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, I went
It is
last.
my turn. Fuck. God damn it. Never have I ever done something embarrassing in a VC.
Does a video chat count?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done plenty of embarrassing things in video chat. Rose can back that up.
In either voice chat or video chat. Oh my god, what sniffers galore.
Sniffer's gonna sniff you.
Go game.
Take a little more biting.
And never have I ever been asexual.
Okay.
Okay, that's just a cheat code.
What did Gabe say?
Never have I ever been asexual.
I didn't hear what Gabe said because of y'all.
Never have I ever been asexual.
You
I
can't
want-
just keep doing this. Fuck back down. Pick a different one.
No, fuck you.
Gosh.
No, then you want to be asexual anymore.
I don't want to do certain things with I don't want to do certain things with other people. So.
Alright.
Never have I oh, is it my turn? No, it's Misty.
No.
I'm sorry.
Never have I ever fallen asleep, had a dream about my partner doing stuff to me.
Only Pacific. Only
Nothing to do with relationship things. Like, I'm never gonna
Get
keep
fucked.
up.
Go a little bit, go. A little bit.
Motherfucker.
A little bit, go.
ever had more than at least 10 relationships?
Jesus Christ, little bit.
You cockfucker.
Oh, what
I
the
Fuck you, Gabe.
Bro.
Fuck, Gabe.
Oh, what the fuck?
Fuck, Gabe.
You had 4.
No,
really
no,
bad.
I know most of them that he's had. I know most of them. Duh.
Fuck, Gabe.
Don't wanna talk about it.
Fuck.
Don't want to talk about it. I know most of the relationships that Little Bit's been in, and I don't want to talk about it.
We put that shit on you, Gabe.
Okay, it's my turn. It's my turn. Okay.
Go, Rose.
Gabe is giving that I'm gonna kill you look.
Let's go.
Hold on. I'm trying to think.
What's that?
Alright, that's it. I'm sitting down.
I'm thinking. Shut up. Let's see.
I'm just gonna go to bed right here. Good night.
Oh my god.
It's darkness.
No dark days, my old friend.
Never have I ever had the same visions as my friends.
I'm sorry, what?
Never have I ever had the same visions as my friends.
You've had the same visions with my sister, and I've got like my sister as my friend.
I mean, your siblings are your friends, so. Would you stop it with the fireworks?
What's the beef with me?
Anyway, go, Gabe.
Never have I ever been autistic.
Okay. Okay.
Would ADHD and everything else count?
No,
I said autistic, not ADHD.
I'm autistic.
I'm gonna pull the ADHD card. Fun.
Ah, hey, you couldn't have pulled it because I'm ADHD too. You fucking.
Yeah.
I think we all are.
Yeah.
But I'm also autistic, so yeah. I get where you're coming from. I'm functioning.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Is it Misty's turn, I think?
Yes.
Yeah, it's Misty's
Yeah.
turn.
Never have I ever had an intimate time with somebody.
Gabe.
Oh my god!
This is what you get.
You're not gonna hear the end of it.
I know a little bit, but
Crazy!
oh, never mind. I know.
Crazy ones.
Gotta bring it up.
No, babe, not. Yeah, it's something else. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you. Yeah.
No, you're gonna tell me later.
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
And thank you.
No. I've told a
Anyways.
little bit, and that's the only person I've told. I'm not saying anything else to anybody else, and that's yeah. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I really.
Little bit go,
no.
little bit go, little bit go, please.
Never have I ever been in a relationship. This is what you get, Gabe.
He's already pulled the relationship card once. I don't think he's allowed to pull it
Don't
again.
never yeah. Gabe, I'm sorry. I love you. I promise. I'm not trying to be mean. Never have I. Never have I ever been in a relationship for more than 7 years.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear that.
Never have I ever been in a relationship with somebody more than 7 years.
Gabe Gabe's having a mental breakdown. You want to pull those cards on us, we'll pull them on you, Gabe.
Come on, guys, please.
Yeah.
Go, Gabe.
Never been in a relationship.
Okay, that's a double negative, my guy.
I have the relationship card, so fuck you. Fuck you.
Go, Misty. Go.
Never have I ever told my partner everything.
Can a partner like a neutral thing like people just like liking each other platonically.
I mean, wait. If we've done it, we go up, right? My brain's
Yeah.
not I have full grows everything.
I feel like not quite everything, but you know. Anyway,
Anyways.
go a little bit.
I really no. Now I'm curious, Rose.
Okay.
But later.
Yes. Never have I ever been associated with a bee. You're welcome.
Well, I can't do that. I can't actually jump up for
Can
that.
I turn into survival so I can do this real quick?
No,
Yeah, sure, game.
no,
If
no,
Survival.
no.
What do you mean survival?
Can we please get this done and out of the way?
Oh, okay, it's my turn.
Okay. Anyways.
God, I'm gonna hate this one. Never have I ever. I don't want to talk about this one, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Never have I ever lied to my friends.
I've liked plenty of my friends.
I can't go up, so. Well, actually, no, I could, but.
Don't wanna talk about it.
Emotional.
Anyway, go. Fuck. Who is it?
Down there, Gabe.
Who is it? I think it's little.
Going to split your
Go,
throat,
Gabe.
it doesn't-
Gabe, go. Go.
Never have I ever been associated with Ginger.
What?
What?
Never have ever been associated with ginger hair.
Never have I ever been associated with ginger. With ginger hair. Interesting. Alright, Misty, go.
You have fun there, Gabe? You're thinking your decisions?
They killed everyone.
No.
Go, Misty, go. Oh, shut up.
Never have I ever wanted to know more things about my partner. You missed! How did you miss that badly, boy? Yo! Come on, bro! I'm destroyed! I'm actually gonna destroy
My
this
arrow
thing.
by default.
He's dead.
Gabe, go.
Hey, back up in my spot. Never have I ever been associated with a blue fox.
Damn.
I'm not blue.
Yes, you are. You're
I'm
literally
aqua, motherfucker.
what version of blue?
No, it's not! It's a completely different color.
Misty, go.
Blue is a natural term.
Alright, that's it. He's getting assassinated.
They can't in a window.
He's getting JFK.
Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Never Have I Ever with in character and out of character. We hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.